Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'll be reviewing a new product which is launched into the market, and it is the LA Girl Pro Coverage High Definition Long Wear Illuminating Foundation. It's a very long name to remember for me. This product got the hype because it has been compared with the Makeup Forever HD foundation. It is actually looks very identical with that, and I have already used this product, and I will attach the application clip somewhere on the screen. Don't worry about that one. Today what I'm wearing is the same foundation. And talking about the packaging of the product, the packaging looks exactly same as the Makeup Forever except of the few things like LA Girl written over here and these crisscross lines, and but still I adore the packaging. It looks very nice, and it has double case packaging. It's a plastic case and opens up like this and then close, giving a sound. It's a very tight cap, so it is very travel friendly. Also it has a pump here, so I would say that it is very good, because in foundation I feel, because I have used some of the foundations which doesn't have pump system, and I don't like that one because I end up messing it, and sometimes I take it more and I have to put it back into the bottle, which is very unhygienic, and that's what I like about the packaging. This product cost you around 1150 INR, and if you compare it with the Makeup Forever HD foundation, then that cost you somewhere around 2 to 3,000. I'm not sure because I don't have it. So it claims that it is very good for dry skin people, and yes, I agree with the fact, because I have very dry skin, especially in winters. I do get like some dry patches around my nose. It becomes flaky over here, so whenever I apply foundation, no matter how much I hydrate my face or put a moisturizer, foundation tends to accumulate in around my nose area, and it accentuates the flakiness. So with this foundation I didn't notice such thing, though it is still little bit visible, so it's my skin problem. Talking about the consistency of the foundation is runny. As you can see, it's not very thick, and this is what you expect if you have a dry skin, because if it is very thick in consistency, then for dry skin people it's not gonna suit. Is that it gives you medium to full coverage. I agree, it does give medium to full coverage. Actually, if you apply it a bit, it gives you a mild coverage, and if you want, it is buildable. You can apply more to the affected area where you want to cover more coverage, where you want more coverage, and it doesn't feel cakey. It does have illumination when you wear it and you go under the light. If light strikes your face, you definitely feel, or you can definitely notice the luminosity of the foundation. And also what I noticed, that it doesn't have any glitter particles in it, which I did like. Gives your skin like a healthy glow. It doesn't look like that you are applying it doesn't look ugly, or I should say it doesn't look bad in natural sunlight. Talking about the shades, they have total 15 shades plus one white foundation, and so that which you can mix with other foundation shades and get your perfect match. The shade which I selected is natural, and I'm somewhere in between NC30 to NC35. It looks very dewy on your skin, and frankly speaking, it's too dewy that even if you have a dry skin, you need to set the foundation. It feels very light on the skin, same time it feels very sticky. Talking about the pros of the foundation, so it has a beautiful packaging, it is hygiene friendly, travel friendly, and it does give my skin a healthy glow. It feels like skin, it doesn't feel heavy on the skin, it doesn't settle, it doesn't accentuates my dry patches or dry areas, and also it doesn't oxidize my face. So these were the positive points of the foundation. Talking about the cons of this product, foundation actually creases under the eye area. Also there is a shade problem. It is very difficult to find your exact shade, though they have provided a separate white foundation so that you can get your perfect match. Thirdly, it is not good for oily people. Please girls, if you are having your eye on this foundation, please stay away from this foundation. Especially it is not at all for you in summers, but in winters if you want to give it a try, then you can definitely go for this one. And lastly, it transfers a lot, and that is something like if you talk on your phone, or if I do like this one, then you can see how much it transfers. So that is something which decreases its longevity. Definitely recommend this foundation for those girls who are in search for a good foundation that can suit their dry skin. So this is the one which is for you. I would recommend this to go for this foundation. So yeah, this was my review on LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation, and I hope you all enjoyed it. And if you are new to my channel and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please go ahead and click that subscribe button. Also don't forget to give the bell, because with that only you will be notified whenever I'll upload a video. So I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.